We're back with Vietnamese vowels, and this is the last of the A vowels. So again, every time, try to match my tone. This vowel is called a. Again, that's just the name of the vowel. It's going to sound really different in a word. So one more time, I have to remind you that that mark above the A is not a tone. This is showing you that it's a particular vowel, one of the A vowels. When we eventually get to tones, we're going to add tones on top of this guy. Same goes for the A with the bowl on top. That's also not a tone. That's a particular A. So here's the A with that pointy hat. Again, it's called a in a pretty typical name in the Southern dialect. Hung. If you think that sounds like the English word hung, H-U-N-G, you're right. It's the same sound. Easy, right? Let's try a few more words. The lion creature in Vietnamese lion dance is called lung. A field in Vietnamese is sung. Here's another name, young. So that's actually spelled with a V. In the Southern dialect, that V makes a Y sound. Young. The weird thing is, it doesn't do that every single time in Southern dialect. Some say it's more of a Mekong thing to make the Y sound. Some people say the traditional Saigon dialect keeps the V sound. So you can hear a lot of variation throughout the South. Southern dialect is not a monolith, but it is very common to hear the V pronounced as a Y. So again, that name, V, A with the pointy hat, and N is young. Again, match my tone. One more time, young. So again, just to remind you, that name might still be pronounced Vung. Whichever one you use, people will understand you. So again, what's this vowel, that A with the pointy hat? A. How do you say this name? Hung. Again, just like hung in English, but match my tone. Hung. What's the word for a field? Sung. You're doing great. See you next time.